Alright guys, so we just arrived here at South County Lexus. We're here to pick up a part, and I guess I'll just show you guys what I broke. Give me a second. Woo! That's exactly what happened, guys. So picking up this new entire piece, I broke it at the gas station. It was like open, but the pump wasn't working, so I had to get in the car to move out, and I kind of just like laid my body into it. Snapped, fell off, but part just came in, so we're gonna go inside to go ahead and get it. It's like 50-60 bucks. So I'm using my iPhone right now. I'll switch over to DSLR when I get home. But oh yeah, before you ask, why not Newport Lexus? I don't know. I just get my parts out here, and I get my service with Miranda out there. But let's go inside, grab us the part, and then we'll go home and install it. Hopefully it's not too bad. It looks pretty ratchet like that.
RCF GT3 action. Sounds like 200 bucks or something.
Yeah, we used to have a couple that they used to sell. This one I think kind of fell off the shelf.
Oh, did it fall off? It's kind of funny. All right, so we'll see what they have in the showroom floor. Oh, it looks like we have a track edition. But this part costs us $56. There's a part number in case you ever break your fuel lid, like I did. It's kind of annoying, but yep, there's the RCF track edition. They probably want like 30 over or something. But we'll see what's up. I know the one in Newport, they want like 109 or 150 for it. 102,000 MSRP. It's got those carbon ceramics, which alone are $20,000 by the way. And I think this hood is 10 grand from Japan. And the wing alone is actually like $12,000 from Japan as well, which is crazy. So just on those three things, it's like 40, 50 G's. Very nice looking car, actually. I really like it. And you got the 10th anniversary down here. I wonder if it's new or pre-owned. Probably pre-owned. It's only like a year old now. 2019, 85 grand. That's brand new. That's crazy. I like mine better over this one. I prefer the satin black. There you have the blue interior. Yeah, we'll get another angle from the back before we leave because it's starting to get dark and I want to be able to do this in my garage. I like how they did the top red dash pad on these track editions. Makes it super nice, but I would head home in a bit. There they are. Alright guys, let's head out. Let's go home. And there we have an LC500, but check out this sky, guys. Holy crap. One of the porters inside was pointing out that it looks like cotton candy, and he's totally right. This is insane. Jesus. I'm totally still not over the clouds, but I got the RCF out here again. So I think I'm gonna get the thumbnail picture right now from the other side, but it's pretty sick. Should I do like a clickbaity thing, like broke my RCF? That'd be kind of cool. But we'll see what's up. So get a quick little picture. Hopefully it doesn't rain by the time we get home, and then we'll chill. Oh no guys, maybe I'm biased, but after seeing that track edition and that 10th anniversary, I still like my car better. Let's go home. What's up guys? We are what I consider back. We are back in the garage. As you can see, I have a lot of knowledge in here. I'm sorry, it's really like recording Ty Lopez for whatever reason. But yeah, here we go. Pretty messed up, but I mean, I know the light is kind of whatever. But I have to get this done because I have a photo shoot tomorrow. I need to get HRE some pictures with the new wheels, even though I've had them for like 10,000 years. So, go ahead and open this little box up. And kind of guess, I'll open it off camera because I kind of can't do both right now. But yeah, it should be pretty simple install. There's like 4 bolts. So what sucks about it is like there's this little lock actuator over here. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna have to take off the gas cap for that first. This little thing, it's when you lock and unlock your car, like I'll show you. I don't have my keys. This little thing comes up on and off, and it like locks your gas cap. So it like comes out that much, so it's hard to put it in there. But let's check it out. All right, so here is our new piece. As you can see, just like a standard like door lock thing. Oh nice, it already has that little locking mechanism, so I don't have to transfer mine over, so that's nice. sorry, I'm gonna close it. That's how it looks closed. I still have the metal thing that's gonna slide on there. I'll show you guys the broken one after I try and wiggle this in there, but let me go ahead and try and put it in. Alright, so we got it on. The little lock actuator thing goes in there. I didn't put it on because I can't figure out how to angle it. But pretty easy install. Here's a wrapped gas cap. It should just slide in, so we should be pretty much done. Alright guys, we're all done, at least ish. So we're ready for the photo shoot tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys these the broken piece. So as you can see, this broke off pretty heavily from right there. So it's supposed to be like that. But yeah, I broke it pretty good. I mean, it wasn't too bad, so it's whatever. It is what it is. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. You know, this is like a little tiny video for y'all, in case you do something dumb just like I did. But I'll have some more Lexus content for you guys pretty soon. Truck guys, if you're watching, I appreciate you. I have the truck right back there somewhere. I just got it registered finally again, so I'll be getting you guys some truck content. It's over there just creeping. Not quite sure what I want to do yet, but there are truck videos coming. So thanks for supporting, guys, and I'll see you all next time. Oh yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I'd appreciate that. Thank you. Bye.